Now, I know, not every wearable is for everyone, but if you're on the hunt for something elegant, packed with features, and offering top-notch fitness and wellness tracking, you're in the right place. Let's talk about why the Venu 2 Plus is such a fantastic option. First off, this watch nails it with its size, features, and price. Typically, it's priced at $449.99, but guess what? You can now snag it for way less. We're talking a $150 discount, bringing it down to its lowest price yet. And yes, this sweet deal is on Amazon, so you get fast shipping and hassle-free returns. Also, it's available on Garmin if you want to go by that route. This model on sale comes with a sleek silver case and a stylish gray band, perfectly sized at 43 mm. Not too big, not too small, just right. The watch features a stunning 1.3-inch AMOLED display, protected by Corning's Gorilla Glass. It is packed with sensors that monitor your heart rate, sleep, stress levels, and even menstrual cycles. It can track just about everything your body is up to. But remember, Venu 3 offers the latest heart rate monitoring sensor, so if you want more consistent tracking, better go with Venu 3. Plus, leave your phone behind when you go for a run. You can download your favorite tunes right to the watch. And with Garmin Pay, you can make quick payments at supported terminals. There are also safety features that can alert someone in an emergency. Voice assistant support is pretty well implemented, and so is phone calling from the wrist. As for battery, the Venu 2 Plus offers 9 days in smartwatch mode and 8 hours with GPS and music. For all the nitty-gritty specs, I won't dive too deep here. They're easily accessible on Garmin's official website. But trust me, this is a fantastic smartwatch that excels at tracking your fitness and health while looking pretty darn good doing it. So if you've been on the lookout for a stellar smartwatch, now's the perfect time to grab one of these models at a fantastic price. Remember, deals like this don't last long. Thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome tech content. See you in the next video.